Good afternoon, students, and welcome to online session on data mining series. So we will start with what is introduction to data mining. Myself Saket Swarnadeep, and I am assistant professor in computer engineering department. So we will start with introduction to data mining. In this introduction, we will see why motivation, that is why data mining is required. After that, we will see about the definition of data mining, application areas of data mining, and research areas in data mining. So this is about the data mining introduction. So outlines we will see about the why motivation of data mining. So why data mining is required. Nowadays data is required in huge amount, so it is converted in the terabytes to petabytes. So that is the motivation why data mining is required. After that, we will see the definition of data mining. For the definition of data mining, there are three terms for the data mining, that is data, information, and knowledge. So after that, we will see about the syllabus of LG University, how many units are there in the university, reference books regarding data mining, application areas of data mining, and research areas in data mining. So we will start with why data mining is required. So motivation, the explosive growth of data from terabytes to petabytes. So nowadays data is important as a fact or information number or the text in the computer. So organizing are using different types of data in the different forms and formats. So they are collecting data in the huge amount from terabytes to petabytes. Petabytes data are in the form of terabytes data. Data collection and data availability. So data is collected in various data storage or data warehousing, and after that data is available for processing. Automated data collection, there are different types of tools for the data mining. Automated data collection tools, database system, web computerized society. So in automated data collection tools, database systems are using database for that collection. Major sources of abundant data. So that the huge amount of data is available in the form of major sources. So like in business, data is used in the web mining, e-commerce websites, transactions, and different type of stocks. In science, remote sensing, bioinformatics, and scientific simulation. So in science, remote sensing we are using data mining, and in bioinformatics we are using data mining techniques. Scientific simulation can be done through data mining. Society and everyone knows about the news, digital cameras, there are different types of digital cameras, and YouTubes. So this is the motivation, that is necessity is the mother of invention. So data, now we will see about the data explanation problem. So automated data collection tools, there are different automation collection tools, and mature database technology lead to various amount of data stored in databases. So there are different types of data are stored in the database, data warehouses, and other information repositories. So we can store in different information repositories. Data warehouse are the collection of different types of data sources. We are drawing in data but starving for knowledge. So we have required amount of data, but we are converting that data into the knowledge. For conversion of knowledge, we require the data mining. So this is the why data mining is required. So that is the solution for data mining. Evolution of data mining technology. So in this we will see about the different history of data mining. In 1960s, data collection, data creation, and IMS and network DBMS can be created in 1960s. In 1970s, relational database model. So in relational model, that is like entity relationship model, state models. So data models are created in 1970s, and relational database management system implementation can be done easily. In 1980s, relational database management system, advanced data models like extended relational, OO, deductive, etc. application oriented database management system, special mining, scientific and engineering, etc. can be done using the data evolution techniques. So these are application oriented DBMS can be produced in 1980s. So this is the history of database technology. In 1990s, data mining is created. So in what is data mining? Data mining is extraction of knowledge from large amount of data is called data mining. Data warehousing, where different types of multiple sources from like web, e-sources, e-commerce websites, data can be stored in huge amount, that is called data warehousing. Multimedia data are the data where in the form of sound, videos, images, etc. That is called multimedia data. And web data means the databases created for the website, different types of website are known as web datas. In 2000, stream data management and mining can be done. So in 2000, stream mining is created for that mining. So these are the evolution of database technologies. Data mining and its application. So data mining is used in various applications like in financial data analysis, intrusion detection systems, different types of systems, web technologies. So in web technologies, data is used in XML format. XML stands for extensible markup language, data integrations and global information system, that is in GIS. GIS in that database is data mining is used. Now we will see about the what is data mining. So for data mining there are three terms is required. First is data. What is data? Data is about the fact, information, system, number stored in the system or the text on the computer. Different organizations are using huge amount of data in different formats and databases. When we convert data into the patterns or when we apply different types of association rule mining, then we get information, and after that when we process information and converted that data in useful knowledge, in useful pattern, then we get the knowledge from data. So these are the terms required for data mining. Now we will see definition of data mining. So data mining is extraction of knowledge from large amount of data is called data mining. It is also known as knowledge discovery from database. Data mining is also known as extraction of patterns, useful patterns from large amount of data. So we will see the definition. Data mining is knowledge discovery from data, extraction of information, non-trivial, implicit and potential useful patterns or knowledge from huge amount of data. Different names for the data mining like knowledge discovery in database, that is also known as KDD, knowledge extraction, data pattern or analysis, data archaeology, data degradation, information harvesting, business intelligence, etc. So these are the another names of data mining. Now we will see about the LG University syllabus. So in syllabus there are 10 units are there. First unit is about the introduction of data mining, in which we will see what is data mining functionalities, the classification of data mining, major issues in data mining. In next unit we will see about the data pre-processing, where we will see about how data is pre-processed, like we will remove the noise from that data, missing values from the data, data sampling will be done, data selection, data transformation and data reduction technique will be used in data pre-processing. In data warehousing and OLAP technology, OLAP stands for online analytical processing techniques, where we will see about the different techniques for the data cubes like roll down, roll up, drill down, drill up, and these are the techniques used in the OLAP technology for data warehouses. In fourth unit we will see about the data cube computation and data generalization. So in how data generation is done, data is generalized or aggregation techniques is applied in the data cube, that we will see in unit 4. After that in unit 5 we will see about the association rule mining. So in association different types of rules will be provided and different types of algorithm we will study, that is like FP growth algorithm, a priori algorithm in the association rule mining, market basket analysis. After that we will see about the classification and prediction. So what is classification? Classification means it is supervised learning where data mining is used, and in that we will see about the different classification techniques like decision tree algorithm, naive Bayes algorithm, KNN algorithms, and in prediction how unknown value is predicted, that we will see for the data mining. After that, we will see in next unit, we will see about the cluster analysis. In cluster analysis, cluster is unsupervised learning, where grouping of data is done for the similar cluster. In that, we will see about the different clustering techniques like partition based algorithm, hierarchical based algorithm, density based algorithm, model based algorithm, and grid based algorithm. After that, we will see about the advanced mining techniques. In that, we will see about the web mining, text mining, multimedia mining, storage mining, etc. So these are the advanced mining techniques. In last unit, we will see about the various types of applications and trends in data mining. So these are the 10 units in the syllabus of LJ University. Now different reference books what are required for the for studying the data mining subject. So first book is Data Mining Concept and Techniques, Jivani Han and Michael Kember, which is published in Elsewhere. So it is the most important book for data mining, Michael Kember book. Second author is Data Mining, Arun K. Pujari from University Press. Third book is about the modern data warehousing, data mining and visualization, George M. Marcus Pearson publication. Now we will see about the various application areas of data mining, where data mining is required and where data mining can be applied. So first in financial data analysis. So in financial applications, in banking, credit card system, debit card system, where we will use the data mining techniques. After that, retail industries. In retail industries like in shopping malls, different types of shops where retailer is used, where there we can use the different types of data mining techniques. After that, telecommunication industries. So in telecommunication industries, like in televisions, satellite areas, where images will be taken from GPS, where data mining technique can be applied. Biological data analysis. So in medical science, like in healthcare system, the biological data analysis, in that it is data mining is used in medical analysis. So in medical analysis, medical terms, that is in for cancer prediction, different types of diseases we can predict using the data analysis. In after that, intrusion detection system. For in intrusion detection system, privacy and preserving can be done for data mining techniques. Now we will see different types of research areas in data mining. So in research areas, there are different types of research. First area is about the web mining. In web mining, there are three types of mining: web content mining, web structure mining, and web mining. Next is predictive analysis. In predictive analysis, data mining techniques can be applied. After that, oracle data mining. Clustering. So clustering is most important research area in data mining. Clustering means grouping of data in similar types or analysis can be done. It is also known as unsupervised learning. Text mining. Text mining is another sub area of data mining, where text mining processes can be done and text mining can be done easily. Fraud detection. For fraud capturing and detection, different types of data mining techniques is applied in the research area of the data mining. Data mining as a service. So for data mining as a service, we can use the different types of services for the data mining. Graph mining. Graph mining is the new research area in the data mining, where nowadays we can done more research in the graph mining. Fuzzy clustering. So in fuzzy clustering, different types of fuzzy techniques, that is logic 0 and 1, can be applied in the clustering techniques for the clustering of huge amount of data. Domain driven data mining. So in domain driven data mining, different domain wise data is analyzed in the data mining techniques. Decision support system. So this is the another most important area where decision can be done either yes or no in that support system. So these are the major areas in data mining. Opinion mining. Opinion mining is one type of mining where opinion can be done, like in Facebook we can use opinion mining, or in sentiment analysis. These are the areas in data mining. So thank you students. Thank you students. In next lecture we will see about the data KDD process, that is knowledge discovery in database, and the data mining functionalities. Stay tuned for further lecture series.